What up, lads? Let's make vegetable pate.
This recipe, guys, is perfect when you have leftovers in the house, or let's say you have too many vegetables in the fridge and they're probably going to go off. So you can do this, freeze it, or keep in the fridge, and then they're gonna last longer. So this is everything we're gonna use, guys, for this recipe. So I have some leftovers here from other recipes. So I have raw onions, bell peppers, aubergines we're gonna use as well. So we're gonna use carrots, celery, sweet bell pepper, an old courgette, some potatoes I have in the fridge, roast garlic powder, smoked paprika, dry oregano, I have here thyme, I have rosemary, you're gonna need some nutritional yeast, olive oil, linseed or flax seeds, walnuts, and sunflower seeds. You don't need to do a specific cuts, just roughly chopping them, seasoning, and we're gonna roast it. So here in the first seasoning, we'll go for salt, smoked paprika, roasted garlic powder, and olive oil. We're gonna toss all together and into the oven. Forgot to have some fresh herbs, so we're gonna put some of them here as well. A little bit of rosemary and thyme. Dry herbs, they can go directly into the mixture. So meanwhile, I have a few more veggies to chop, so I have this courgette. I'm gonna just roughly dice it, and this sweet pepper. Gonna keep all the seeds and everything. It's been half an hour, guys. Let's check the potatoes. Stab one of these potatoes. Oh, it's cooked. See? Beautiful. So what do? I'm gonna add the rest of the ingredients here. The soft veg on the top. An extra dash of olive oil. And then they go back into the oven for another 10 minutes. Everything is cooked now, lads, so we just need wait this to cool down, because we don't want all this moisture to be inside the mixture, so it's better to let it cool down. So we wait another 10-15 minutes, and then we're gonna finish this baby. So let's fill up our food processor. I don't think it'll be possible to make all in one. If not, we do in batches. We're going to add into the food processor oregano, sunflower seeds, nutritional yeast, and the linseeds. And of course, always a pinch of salt. Give a taste. More salt. And blend again. Final taste. Oh yeah. Let's add walnuts. Crush them. Okie dokie, now we're gonna transfer all these mixtures into here, and then we're gonna keep on the fridge overnight, so after we can cut it. Ew! Here we are, guys, next day. It's been one day in the fridge. There are potatoes here. Let's recover it. Here we go. Moment of truth. Yeah, looks firm enough. So take out. Hell yeah. So I just got a slice of bread. I will slice a chunk. Yeah, it's firm enough. Nice. And then you can just spread it all over. Ooh. Moment of truth. Delicious, easy to do. You can use the leftovers you have in your house, make something different, and don't waste food. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you like this video. If you have any doubts, just write down on the comments below. Click on the like button, subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next one. If you guys want to have access to all the recipes I'm showing here, just go to my website, get your vegan ebook, and you have everything on your hand like that. Description of the recipes, ingredients, pictures, everything on the palm of your hand. Easy, easy cooking.